Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to create one charting scanner based on my premium group member request. So based on hammer candle, which forms on Heikin Ashi chart. It's a normal chart. We have a scanner and we have a custom scanner so that helping you to find out some swing trading also that is available on our premium group. So if you want to access my premium scanners, you can also join our premium group to know more about our premium telegram group, so where you can access all my premium scanners which help you to find out the stocks which meets the condition based on the scanner. Okay, so here we try to create a hammer candle on Heikin Ashi chart. So normally, normal candlesticks pattern we can easily find out hammer. So here is the pattern hammer kind of things. So we find it with normal candle, but even we have to compare a lot of things here for different values. So high and low and open close, everything we have to compare two different sets. So why we used to find it out with a custom indicator. So here also a hammer candle which we find it out. But in a Heikin Ashi candle, so this is what a candle. So where we mostly the spinning top kind of thing which is happening, and also that would not be happen at lowest level. That's a very difficult one. So maybe after the low, it may be started recovering back. That would be possible. And inside or something is possible with this kind of Heikin Ashi chart. But here we try to find out a hammer candle which forms it. Most of the time it should be a spinning top kind of candle which forms here, because it's the average bars. So open, high, low, close divided by 3 or divided by 4. So 4 values or 3 values. So kind of average candles. So here it may be a green candle, but in the candle it may be a red candle. Okay, so here we have to find a hammer candle. It is possible to find a very less chances for finding a hammer. We'll try to create a code in charting. How do we find out that particular scanner here? So I'm just going to use normal that normal conditions only. I'm not going to use any custom indicator here. You can just follow the step and you can also create the same. And let me try to create. So we need to compare some different values. So I'll use a bracket function. So in this case, high. So you have to use Heikin Ashi high. This is the default thing which is available in charting. So Heikin Ashi high minus what we are going to compare. Uh, I minus, let me try to find the candle, how we are looking for the candle. We are looking for an hammer candle. So what are the conditions which we are going to use for that hammer? And let me try to do that. So first we need to get the details. The hammer candle should be like this one, right? The hammer candle should be like this. So we have to find it out, this kind of candle which forms in a directly in Heikin Ashi chart. So in this case, we find this should be a close, open, and low and high. Okay, so in this case, what I'm just finding out, high minus close. Okay, this gap. Okay, or open minus close or close minus open, whichever the highest value. So before going to that, so we'll try to find only a green hammer. So let me try first different condition. Sorry. So this is what our pattern which you are going to do. So I have to remove this. So I need a green candle. So the close of that particular Heikin Ashi, it must be greater than the open. So this will be simply telling you that is a green candle, that Heikin Ashi. So both are HA value which you are used should be a Heikin Ashi green candle. So then we do compare here the close minus open should be or high minus close. Let me go for this. I'm just talking about we do how we can fetch this high minus close, the high minus close, that should be the two values, right? So highest is the level and we are comparing with the close. Already this is a green candle, close should be higher than the open. So high minus close must be less than or equal to, oh, close minus open. So what this condition will tell us, so if we are following this thing, this body of the candle and the wick of the candle should be equal or less than equal. Okay, that we are going to plan with the particular line. So we to use a bracket value, and here first I minus close should be less than the close minus open. The body should be the very important. So equal or less than. So here Ikanashi high and minus Ikanashi low. Sorry, it should be close. High minus close must be less than equal to here again a bracket value which you are using, and close minus open. Close minus open. Ikanashi open. So everything should be sorry. Close minus Ikanashi open. So we have fetched the body of the candle, and here close minus open of this particular body, and we have to compare the wicks. So in this case, close minus open is a positive value. Here the close minus open should be the body of the candle, and open minus low should be the wick of the candle. Okay, so this body of the candle, how many times you want? Three times must be greater than the open minus low. So multiplied by three times greater than. Okay, open minus low. Our open minus low is greater than three times of open minus low. So anything we can use it. So open minus low into 3 is greater than the body. Okay, so let me try to create that one also. How we can find it with that. So close minus open or open minus low. Open minus low multiplied by 3, we have some values. No. Okay, so close minus open into multiplied by 3. So that would be better one. So bracket HA open minus or close minus open. Close. I'm just creating this in a real time. Okay, so if any mistakes, we'll correct it here itself. Close minus open. That body candle into 3. That means maybe 2 times. Is 2 times. Should be greater than bracket open minus HA open. So like this, you can create whatever the scanner. I will try to check this with this works for this scenario. So we have a equity. So let me try for a futures. If any stocks we will be easily identify. Many stocks which came. So this much of stock is not possible. It's almost 37 stocks. Let me go for any HDFC Bank. What's it? This is what a big candle. Na? Something mistake we made it. Close minus open. That green candle that works. Closing minus open. Okay, okay. So here less than. Okay. It should be greater than. Let be IEX or RBL. Ah, greater than something mistakes here. Let me check here. Please stay. Let's try some changes here. So we are comparing the body of the candle close minus open and I minus close. So I change that less than equal to, let me run this and zero motor cup. Then okay, so body of that particular case, this is the body is less than equal to I minus low. For We'll add some number 1, 0.9. We got a 36 stocks. Same hero Motogopo is there. Wait. So let me try to recreate this, and some issue is there. So in case of let me try for I minus open multiplied by number 2, it should be less than what we to use open minus low. So that work. So we to hide this, and the second one which we are going to use bracket value I minus low. Heikin Ashi I minus HA low. So we find it out. So we do the wick thing which we are going to calculate here. Instead of here, the wick should be just 0.4 times, and it should be greater than bracket. Like this you can create. Let me try whether it is going to give you the better one or not. Minus open. So here it's a HA close. Yeah. So will this work? And let me run. So we don't have any stocks, I think. Previously, without this condition, we have multiple stocks. So let me save the scan, and we try to check whether it is producing any stocks or not. Yeah. So we have a few number of stocks which forming here. So the backtest report, and here some stock which came. It's a Grasim 25.4. That one. Grasim 25.4 here. It's a perfect hammer. Grasim 25 April, and previous one which was Siemens when it is happening around 21.4. 21 21.4 25. I think this one, because it's a very 21.4. That is showing we are expecting a red, but it is a green, but it's showing a red. We are seeing the right 21.4 2025. It's the right one. Siemens, but it was showing us some error because we are looking for a green candle, but it was a red. But HA close must be HA open, but there is some issue on that. So let me check some other stocks. Well, it finding a hammer. Okay, so let me go for some other stock. Let us shows the hammer candle. Even better, we can try here. Muthoot Finance, that was around 13.3. Finance 13.3. Yeah. So that is finding exactly what we are looking for in a hammer. So by using this code or this formula, you can find it out a hammer candle. I hope you understood the concepts. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you want to join our premium Telegram group, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Thank you.